Back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to adjust text size in a specific app on Windows 10 PC. If some of your apps ignore your Windows settings and you notice a small text on that, you can try to change the text size. For that, first locate the app's desktop shortcut icon or create a new desktop shortcut icon. Then right click on it and select properties. Then switch to this one compatibility tab. Then click on this one option change high DPI settings. Then check this one option override high DPI scaling behavior. And in the drop down menu select here system. Then click on this one OK button. Then click apply and then click OK button. It should improve text size for that particular app on your Windows 10 PC.